Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Poof token. Ticker symbol is Poof. Now this is from Houdiniswap. This is their token. This token just got listed yesterday on CoinGecko, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Poof token. So now you see me, now you don't. Houdiniswap.com is their official webpage. They do have a full white paper also listed on CoinGecko, along with their Etherscan webpage, Twitter, Telegram, price, contract address, and how you get this token. Basically, this is an Ethereum token, so you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the Poof token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko or their Etherscan or their webpage white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And there is going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So price today for this token is sitting at about 3.7 cents per token. It's up 1.2% today, which isn't much. It's just kind of staying even today. There is a warning at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about investing in this token. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you are trading this token. So, that doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when they have warnings like that. So thoroughly do your own research, investigate this token before even thinking about investing in it. Now, what is this project all about? So it says, it's a problem. Bank accounts provide a high degree of personal privacy from friends, family, and colleagues. Even if you know a lot of identifying information about a person, it is extremely difficult to find out how much money he or she has in their bank account. With crypto, if your wallet address becomes known, your balance and all of your crypto activities are known and traceable. They are watching you. Your transactions, paying your friend back, buying a gift, donating to a cause, submitting payroll, your investment activity, have some big wins, big losses, degen at heart, not as active as others think. Your net worth, big bag, small bag, any bag, and it's not okay. It's none of their business. People are judging from their spending habits or net worth. Freedom of movement, people are tracked and bullied for selling. Personal safety, doxing, finding IRL and stalking, hacking emails and keys. So enter Houdiniswap to solve this problem here. It says, privacy is security. Stay anonymous, stay safe. That sounds like an old commercial. Stay anonymous, stay safe. Swap currencies. Choose any currency in and receive any currency out. Simple tech. Uses Monero as a tunnel between exchanges. In one exchange, out another. So that's what Monero is all about. If you guys didn't know that, it's like a private, like Bitcoin is not anonymous, it's pseudonymous, and so Monero is anonymous, where you don't see any of the information. Now, when you use Bitcoin, obviously it doesn't say your name on the transaction and where all these things, right? But people can sort of figure some things out. depending on what your transactions are. But Monero is anonymous, and people supposedly use it on the dark web, right? So it says easy to use. Enter the desired currency, enter your receiving wallet, send funds to the HS wallet, break the link between sending and receiving wallet. So how it works, Monero has a tunnel between exchanges. Number one, swap. Anonymizes your crypto by swapping it first to Monero on exchange A. Number two, anonymity sends your anonymous Monero from exchange A to exchange B. Number three, Poof swaps the Monero on exchange B to your desired receiving currency. And number four, sends receiving currency to your desired wallet, breaking all links between the sender and receiver. Changing the narrative. Privacy is security. Mainstream narrative points to privacy as enabling illicit activity rather than benefits they provide to individuals. Tornado Cash, a currency mixer, was a popular solution for many years, and it processed billions of dollars in swap volume. Its structure, however, was deemed illegal, and the developers were unwilling to work with authorities to clean it up. Nowadays, both devs and users of currency mixers incur the risk of the same sanctions. Clearly, currency mixers are not a sustainable long-term solution. Currency mixers validated demand but exposed another issue. Regulatory compliance is critical to long-term viability. So Houdiniswap, it says, is fully compliant platform, never holds custody of users' funds, is not a market maker, nor has liquidity pools, never accepts payments from users, never utilizes a mixing wallet, and never requires user accounts. Houdiniswap is not a mixer. Houdiniswap is an automated conduit between exchanges. And it says the legal risks sit with the exchange and not Houdiniswap. So it says a unicorn in the making. It's timely, non-custodial, and 100% legal, community-based, and solves a real problem. And then they have a pretty lengthy roadmap on here that you can go over on their white paper if you'd like to. And yeah, that's it shows you step by step how you can stake this token, you can swap the token, or you can refer people to get the token and earn commissions. And let's see, I don't know if there is buy and sell tax of 6%, so you may have to set your slippage to somewhere around 6%. Now, I don't know if it says here, it says there is buybacks, so maybe that's what the fees go to. All fees earned on the Houdiniswap platform are used for Poof buybacks, so I'm not sure if that means taxes as well. Could be that, but yeah. The token allocation is basically split up between partnerships, bridges, liquidity, IDO, incubator, Dream Labs, advisors, community incentives, private investors, staking rewards, team, and partnerships in OTC. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Houdiniswap and the Poof token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.